think anybody who has pumps or fans, any kind of equipment that's mounted up to a motor, should take this class.
You can always read the instructions and go through step by step, but stuff always comes up, especially working on old equipment. It's always good to talk to somebody who's been doing it for 30 years.
What intrigued me about the class is all of the precision, alignment, vibration, analysis, everything the class offered.
Most of the classes we've been to that you just sit there all day in class with a book and a PowerPoint.
A lot of other classes I have, they kind of just read the book to you.
I think we spent at least 80% hands-on, probably more, which made it a whole lot better.
Our RPM class is really good for anybody in the industry. We're teaching some old skills and some new skills.
The number one thing is the instruction that you're getting, the knowledge that they have, hands-on knowledge, not book knowledge, but hands-on experience knowledge where they can, in layman's terms, tell you what they're talking about by giving you a past experience.
You know, we have brand new technicians straight out of tech school. We have engineers with 2 or 3 decades or more of experience. We've had maintenance managers and supervisors. Everybody benefits from that.
This, I'm able to ask question after question. I was just talking to Stan about a really unique problem I'm having, and he's actually helped out a lot.
It's time well spent. You're going to learn a lot, and it's going to be fun. It's not a boring class.
It's a good class. I think any mechanic in any industrial site, power plant, refinery, water treatment, whatever it is, it's all the same. It's definitely not going to hurt.
Awesome class, I've got to tell you straight up. Some of the best training I've ever been, if not the best.